17 ایئر سے میں PCRWR کو سرو کر رہا ہوں اور میری جو PhD ہے وہ ہائیڈرولوجی میں ہے.
Active participation from colleagues all over Pakistan. We have good colleagues here from UK and also from outside various parts of the world who have joined us on the Zoom as well.
We have monitored the quality of 29 cities, and this is a network of our cities which were selected for this program, and you can see that right from the Gilgit-Baltistan up to the Arabian Sea, we have been monitoring the drinking water quality.
Connectivity between the sensors. In terms of cost, it should have an optimized cost and also optimum operation that we will discuss later on, how we have tackled these three challenges.
On district level, there is no so much difference on district and tehsil level about the ethanol values, and then we combine these values to drop water consumption of our 4 lysimeter stations.
Since long and recently Ministry of Water Resources has provided some funding for resource giving.
Million farmers, including smallholders, families who are associated with agriculture in rural areas. So how do we address the grand challenge in terms of improving their income and through agriculture, food security, and then the food security that's facing the challenge of water. So that's a like very complex system that we are sitting in. So agriculture is not something which like a factory where you grow something and everything happen unique. So agriculture is faced by a number of challenges.
Agriculture, they utilize around 70% of the total fresh water, and also the 90% energy production is actually a water intensive.
We also need to focus on this capacity building and building a force which can actually do the forecasting and the predictive analysis properly.
Let me compliment PCRWR and Upsign for holding this event. Having heard the 2 keynote speeches from Dr. Imran, Dr. Vakil, and very relevant 2 presentations from Dr. Rashid and Engineer Bariah.